Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in into Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app. Then on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see 5 options there. Tap on user icon on the bottom right corner. Then at the top of the screen, you're gonna see 2 options there, join Fiverr and sign in. Tap on sign in. Then you can see you can sign in using your email and password, your Apple ID, Facebook and Google. Select the option that you had previously used to sign up. I had used Google, so I'm gonna tap on Google, then tap on continue. Now select the Google account that you used to sign up, then tap on continue again. Now in couple seconds, you can see you have successfully signed in into your Fiverr account. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign in into Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.